Sipag naman ni Gab. So, masipag na bata. Thank you, Gab. Hello, honey, my love, so sweet. Very good. Aray ko. Kapi, kapi. Thank you sa thumbs up. He's got everyone working. Yes. Everyone working here. Gerald na hi, G. Kumusta? Nag-uli na ako kagabi. Di na ako nagbalik. Nahuslaw na naman ako. Ako nagbalik sa iyo. Hi, Mark. Hello, pretty lady. Di na ako nagbalik sa iyo kagabi, G. Except you. Hello, my love, beautiful girl. Hi. Kakagising ko lang. Yan. Kakagising ko lang mula sa pagkapikit. Naman ako pero matay na. Thank you for the 7 people. The 1 thumbs up. Hi. Give me plus drink coffee. Yes, sir. Sir, drink coffee, sir. Sir, mom? Are you mom or a sir? Are you a Russian, I think? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you very much, my love. I love you so much and kisses your lips. Where are you from? Kisses. Thank you for the thumbs up. 11 people here. Thank you. How are you? How is your morning? Good morning. My morning is good, Mark. Golden fish. I'm from Russia, my love. Ah, you're from Russia. You're Rush. Thank you for the 15 people. You look like you just wake up. Just wake up.
What? Wait, 21!
Thank you for the 21 people na. Hello, my beautiful friend. Hi, Harley. QB. It's the final countdown. Good morning, Mark. Just wake up. Wake up and do live. You are my married, my love. I'm, not yet married, but I'm getting married soon. Hi, Mafati. Hi, Mafati. Yeah, Mafati, hello. Thank you for the good thumbs up. Salamat. Hello. Mapati, where are you from? Thank you for joining. So far. So far. How soon will you be married? Very soon. Very soon. You have 3 children. One child. I have one child. One kid. Boy. Boy. My son is a boy. My kid is a boy pala. Kaya ano yun? Tunga lang, babe. Salamat. Ano ka?
Sabi mo.
Man.
Kira,
Mano ka?
bakal.
Matt's asking if you have a boyfriend.
Tira.
I have a boyfriend.
Sino?
Okay, I understand you want child and yes. Thank you. Mapati.
Ah.
Okay. Okay. I visited me in Russia, my love. Be my wife. No, I'm not. Sorry, I'm not. I have a boyfriend. I'm getting married. I'm Harley.
Eh.
You're Harley. You're Harley. Huh? Diesel next vlog Ziken. Hi Diesel next vlog. Down like from Diesel next vlog. Thank you for the thumbs up. Diesel next vlog. Thank you. And thank you for the 12 people. Salamat. Masati. He is not me. I spelled your name wrong, Masati. I don't mind. I'm living in Moscow. Moscow. Chokar Pakaligan. Pakalagan. Pa-shoutout po sa ngalan Belen. Hi! Shoutout to Belen from Jokar Pakalagan. Shoutout kay Belen.
Bernadette.
English Jokar. Hola, saludos, hermosa. Hi, Samuel Montaño. Thank you for joining.
Ay, ito ko na kasunod ang chinilas mo?
English
Sunod
Jokar.
ka sa mga... Munta lang, wata mo. Kaya ano, may tutulong mo na po. Kami kita yung sa inyo.
Joker is a Filipino. I understand his language. I understand what he said. It's okay, Tim. Invite you to the visiting in Russia. Be my wife. No, I'm not. Team Holly. Hey Russian guy, he is already chicken. I'm already chicken. LMG Vlogs, Gloomy. Hi, where are you from? LMG Vlogs. Thank you for joining. Thank you for the 15 people here. Hurley. CD Blue, LMG. What means blue? Thumbs up dan maganda Sheryl. Thank you for the thumbs up, Greg. Thank you for joining again. Welcome back. How are you? Tribal Star. Hi, Tribal Star. Blow me, please, sis. Tribor. Blue. Blow me, please, sis. Sir Matati. I'm not gay. I'm from Nepal. Okay. Thank you for joining. Magandang umaga po. Magandang umaga din, Greg. Good morning to Greg. San TV. Hi, Tribor. Good evening, team. Hi, good evening, team. Ay, good evening pala dyan sa yes, man. GT, GT Rewinding. Thumbs up, cause. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much, Tribor. I'm good in USA. It's good. You're from USC Travel Star, no? You're from USA. Hello, Greg. How are you today? From team. Hi, LMG Vlogs. Hello. What are you doing today? Just wake up and drink coffee. Late wake up. I'm good. I'm doing good. I hope you're fine. From Greg. Join me. I will share back. Okay. Yes, it was a wonderful ice cream today. Wonderful ice cream today. That's nice. Good job.
Oh,
Lulu. Yes, it was a wonderful. Thank you, Sally. Hello, Cheryl. Is it hot today? Yes, it is hot weather today. Derek Jones. Yes, Derek. Bastos? Bastos? Anong bastos? Yun. Ba't bastos? Everyone, please comment, like, and subscribe to the one and only Cheryl. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much, Greg. Joe. Okay, it's Joe. Joe. Team Harley, hello, my friend. You're hot too. Hot too? I'm hot too. Hi. I'm looking hot now. Agoy, inday, maayong buntag din ha. Kanino oy? Berteng, nako, Berteng. Naligaw ka na naman. Hi, mom. Hi, MJ. Hello, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Thank you for the 7 thumbs up, guys. And the 30 people here. Thank you so much. Really appreciate that. Thank you, guys. Maayong buntag. Lepis. Inday, nagunsa man di ay kadinha karon. What means? Ano ibig mong sabihin? Bisaya ka man dong? Di man, day ko na nasabot ang gastorya mo dong. Naunsa o naunsi na. I'm in Russia team. Tony Prado. Hi, Tony. Hi, Sir Tony Prado. Bisaya man ko yung dayoy. Okay. Yes, I know. I see everything you type.
Mami,
Hi, yan Lala. Hi, yan Lala. Hello. Thank you for the 7 thumbs up and the 12 people. Thank you so much. Tralayo. Trala. Hi, CD. Taga saan ka, CD? Team Harley, I wish you happiness, my friend. Brain wrote tong-tong sahor. Brain wrote hotong-hotong. Pam Bombardello Crocodelo. Shout out from Japan, Bibi. Shout out from Japan. Hello, MG from Japan. Shout out from Philippines. Thank you for joining. MJ. Dili di ay kabisayan. Dili man ang kabisaya ah. Bicol gani. Bicol gani. Bicolana gani. Sheryl R. Gorgeous. Thank you, Mark. I forgot, Mark, if you are from, where are you from? Maybe USA, I think. You are from USA? I forgot. Ha 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 ha. Tambambatalan. Yeah, New Zealand. I'm sorry. Oh my God. I'm sorry. New Zealand. How are you, Mark? How are you? Yes, how are you? And how old are you, I mean? Sure, remember what we talk about. This one, don't need. Okay. Patuloy ang pagbibigay ng caution sa middle sa tulat-tulit ang sorsogon ng hands-on leadership. Tuwing may sakuna at pinangunahan ang agarang pagtugon sa mga bumili ang kapitolyo ng mga heavy equipment, pang-infrastruktura, patuloy ang pagbigo. Ang surpresang pagbisita ni Governor Bicol. Thank you for the 8 thumbs up, guys. Thank you so much. Bicol, di ay kainday maayo hinon. Maayo hinon, hinoon. Anong hinoon? What are you reading from? Reading from politics here. For governor. From governor. election here. I read his agenda. Hi, Tata Sanders. Hello, hello everyone. Thank you so much, Tata Sanders, sa pagpunta. When is election? Monday. Election is on Monday. This Monday. Hinday, kanang Bicol, sagal binisaya, man pod, in tawon ka na, oy. Graga, sabot man. Pira ka nakataon, berting, mag-istorya, maaron ka mag-istorya. Gasabot ka mag-istorya sa Tagalog, kung dili ka mag-istorya sa Tagalog, baka pwede ka mag-istorya sa English, maski diyot, gadiyot lang. English only, thanks. My moderator is a very strict moderator, so you need to speak English, berteng. Magagalit yon. Life in North Carolina. Hi! Life in North Carolina. Thank you for joining. How are you guys? There in USA. Life North in Carolina. Thank you so much. Next, from Greensboro, North Carolina. Thank you so much for joining my live. Walang anuman. Tagalog po kayo, Pilipino po pala. Salamat po sa pagpunta. Thank you so much po. Thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up po. Live North Carolina. Salamat. Lee Pollock, hi again. Sir, thank you for coming back, Sir Lee Pollock. Hi again, beautiful lady. I thought of a name for your roster. Legit. Keep smiling. Okay lang po. Kumusta? Okay lang po. Kayo po, kumusta po dyan sa, sa America? Sa North Carolina, USA. English life. Okay, Tim. Okay, if you want, I don't have any qualms about speaking in English. Wow, Berting, level up. Grabe, discipline. Was only just trying to to persuade the host to speak in a local language that I'm supposed she was very comfortable with. If I'm, if, 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 kung Bisaya ako, gusto ko magsalita talaga ng Bisaya. Pero hindi man talaga ako Bisaya, Bicol. Magkaiba yung Bicol sa Bisaya. Iba yung Bisaya language, different Bicol language, Bisaya language, Ilocano language, Tagalog language, different. Magkakaiba sila. Thank you, Berting. Thank you. Hi, host. Hi, live in North Carolina. Thank you so much. You're welcome po. What's up, host? Sheryl English. Ayan, nagalit na si ano. What's going on, huh? Going on. You are so welcome. Thank you so much, live in North Carolina. Showing coffee. Go. Truth be told, I am actually very proficient in both Tagalog and the obvious Cebuano. Although English is actually my first language. Okay. Hope everything goes well with everyone in the chat. Thank you, Berting. I'm not Bisaya kasi. I'm Bicolana. It's a different language. That's why I don't understand Bisaya language. Sure, you speak here, maybe you learn Visayan language, but I'm not Visayas. That's why I don't understand what you said. Berting. Thank you, Berting. Good morning. Good morning po. Happy coffee. Singing love, Cheryl. Thank you, Mark. It's going good. It's going good. At ang hirap magpapanggap pa ba ako na ako. Thanks for English Berting. Thank you, Berting. Where are you from, Berting? Where country? Where are you from? Doon na ang sol mo. Nakuha ka na dito, 20. Thank you. And I am very adept in the Ilocano dialect as well. Not that you would also want to know. Yes, you're right. I had a lot of interaction with people from different parts of the Philippines. Okay. Maybe you not encountered a Bicolana like me when you come here in the Philippines. You met Ilocano, Bisaya, most Bisaya. That's why you speak well in Bisaya. You're full. Hi, Sir Isaac. Thank you so much. Good morning, sis. Good morning to everyone. Have a nice day to all. Have a nice day. Good morning, sister. Good to hear beer. Yes. Thank you, Berting. Si Berting, where country you are from, Berting? Teresa, thank you so much for joining again the live. Hi, Christy from team. Mag-imod ka ba dun tabi kung may nagtinda isda? Gaya ako niyo. Thank you so much, everyone. Aray ko. Hi, sweet team. Have a nice day. Team, have a nice day daw. Aray ko. Nakulugang sick. You too. Aray. Pag ano tabi, pag may nagtinda isda, gawin mo ako tabi ha. Salamat. I have matter of factly. I have matter of factly. But it was only that most Filipinos that I talked to back in the Philippines were from these regions that give me the chance to learn their dialect. Ah, okay.
Tita, may nagtinda.
Ah, sige. Wait lang.
Ito.
Sige, bye-bye guys. Thank you so much. I ended the live na. Thank you. Thank you for joining my live. Thank you guys. I love you all. Thank you.